Have you ever wondered why your heart races, palms sweat, and mind goes blank when speaking in front of an audience? Let's see the neuroscience behind public speaking anxiety. When we are about to speak in public, give presentation, host an event, participate in elocution, or even speak in front of a camera, our brain stress response gets triggered, releasing specific stress hormones, which in turn prepares our body to either fight or flight, making us more alert and focused. Well, before diving deep into the technicalities of neuroscience, let us firstly understand how our brain functions. Our brain has different parts with their individual functions, which is so complex. But no worries. For the purpose of this video, we are going to limit ourselves to few parts of limbic system and prefrontal cortex. The limbic system in our brain plays a very crucial role in our emotional, behavioral, and memory processes. It consists of thalamus, hypothalamus, hippocampus, and amygdala. The hypothalamus produces hormones that helps you sleep and manages your mood, hunger and thirst, sexual arousal, blood pressure, body temperature, and especially heart rate. The thalamus processes sensory information like hearing, taste, sight, and touch and helps with memory, planning, and emotions. The amygdala processes emotions, especially fear and anxiety. The hippocampus forms and consolidates memory, including fearful one. And finally, the prefrontal cortex regulates decision making and emotional control. So now let us see why we feel nervous. Here's how it works. Our brain considers public speaking as a threat. Firstly, the thalamus senses what's happening around us through our sensory organs like eyes and ears. Then, the hypothalamus makes our heart beat faster and amygdala, our fear center, kicks in, starting a stress reaction. The HPA axis or hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis releases stress hormones which makes us feel nervous. You might have heard of some of these hormones like adrenaline, cortisol, dopamine, which makes us fight or flight. But all this process has its evolutionary significance. Throughout this process, our brain trying to manage our emotions and keep us thinking clearly even though it's stressed. Other factors contributing to public speaking anxiety are learning and memory, personality traits, and contextual factors. By understanding the neuroscience behind public speaking anxiety, we can develop targeted strategies to manage the symptoms and become a confident speaker. Here is the 3-step process to overcome your public speaking anxiety. So very first step is prepare and recognize. First of all, research your content and then recall it. Speak this content in front of a mirror and visualize your success. This will activate your prefrontal cortex, which helps in regulating your emotions, in decision making, and in planning. The next step is calm and relax yourself. You can do this with the help of progressive muscle relaxation, breathing exercises, physical exercises, and mindfulness meditation. This process will reduce amygdala activities like fear and anxiety, and it will activate parasympathetic nervous system, which produces relaxation hormones. And the third step is reframe and focus. So first of all, you have to reframe your negative thoughts, focus clearly on your message, and build self-confidence. This is how you can overcome public speaking anxiety with the help of neuroscience. Finally, building any habit or skill requires effort, willpower, and hard work. I can give you the manual of 1000 pages or I can create the video of 1000 hours, but what I can't do for you is execution. So until and unless you are truly willing from your heart, you can't do anything from neuroscience of your brain. Therefore, take that first step today because your brain's potential is limitless when driven by genuine effort and determination. And for more of such videos, stay tuned and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. This is me Susmita signing off.